Hello, I'm Mari, and behind the camera is Jose.
Hi everybody!
This time I show you how to prepare the delicious milkshake. For this recipe, we need few tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 fresh banana, 1 little green lemon.
Ooh, special lemon.
Yes.
This one.
Also we call the lime. 40 centiliters of milk and few tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. The ice cream now I put immediately in the freezing to wait for. Then,
Alright.
the first step is to warm up the pan. And immediately we put the brown sugar inside. And we let to dissolve. During this time we prepare the banana. Then we peel it. And I cut in slices. Then, about the lime, we get the juice.
This one is very powerful.
Yes, smelling immediately nice.
Oh yeah. It's not the regular lemon, this one. From the island it's coming from, this one.
Yes. Will be enough the half. We put little bit of water in the pan and we go down the heat. And now is the moment to add the banana. And we cook very slowly for few minutes. Then, in last moment, we add little bit of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Mix together.
The temperature now is a little bit less.
Yes, it's very slowly you have to cook. Then, is a moment to add in mixer some milk to start. Close and we start very slowly. We add other part of milk. We add 3 tablespoons. Go generously. It's ready. Enjoy!
Beautiful.
We are sure you love this recipe and see you next time for new recipes from Chef Mari. And all the ingredients list you find on our website www.chef-mari.com.
Bye bye everybody!
Bye bye!